Bobby's here. Paparazzi? What, dude?
Dude, it's crazy out there.
Bro, what's going on right now?
You didn't hear?
What?
We're on TV.
So we're on TV?
Yeah, dude. A local TV station, WCTX TV, found our video and ran a story on it in their like viral video section.
Dude, what?
Yeah, dude. Like 24 hours after we posted it, they were on that.
I think your mullet should have made the news too, but you know, that's for their next story.
Yeah.
Let's check out this video they did.
Yeah, man, play it.
All right, word.
I'll never forget the day my life was set free when I got a go-kart. And I can understand why Bobby here loves messing around with his go-kart. He has a YouTube channel. He calls it Tyranis Customs because he's taken his go-kart and done a bunch of different modifications to make it bigger, better, faster, more fun.
Further proof men don't grow up.
In Bollywood, you can have this much fun. There's his dad, Bob. Take it for a couple of spins up and down the paved streets. That works well. All right, once they get out to this power line road, that's where things really open up. That's where they can test the speed of this thing, and that's where Bobby gets behind the wheel. Oh yeah, hang it out, send it big, slide that go-kart around.
So hard.
This is a fun day for the two of them.
It was the fun day for the two of them, up until about this point.
Dude, it still gets me.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, you saw it. The only footage they got from this incident was from the drone.
Drifting a right-hand corner without a passenger made the right side of the cart significantly lighter. And the
Your voiceover on point, dude. Made the cut.
Turned the front wheel into a plow, sending Bobby over a 10-foot drop-off, making 2 full rotations before landing almost completely upside down. We got Bobby out, but it seemed functionally impossible to recover the cart.
It was a 10-foot drop.
His arm is banged up. It is bad, but he's alive.
Yeah, but
That's right.
so far, nothing serious. And for Bobby, it's off to the hospital. It's up to Trevor and Bobby's dad to see if they can recover the go-kart from that short cliff. Bobby's back from the hospital. What's the prognosis, son?
They got me stitched up.
Yeah. How many?
20.
Just stitches? I'm surprised it wasn't a crushed elbow or broken arm.
I know, right?
Yeah, it probably should have been.
Realize something.
The cart reminded us, you know, who's boss.
Yeah.
Exactly. They feel like from now
she's
on,
a boss.
it's time for helmets. They went back to try and recover the cart. They weren't able to, so they just threw a tarp over it to go back and get it another day.
Dude,
What?
that was wild.
That was awesome.
They crushed that, man. That was so cool.
Dude, thank you, WCTX TV. It is definitely very different to see ourselves on TV versus YouTube.
Yeah. And they picked it up so fast. The video was out 24 hours and my phone was buzzing. That's wild.
We're gonna have to do some kind of redemption video with them at some point.
100%. Maybe we'll get them out to the shop. Who knows?
We'll have to see. Thank you again, you guys. That was a little mind blowing. I guess this is what it feels to make the big time. So
Yeah, my mom is so proud.
I guess we're just gonna have to keep on raising the bar and putting out new content. So
That's what we do, man.
yeah, I think that's the only option here. So.
Sounds good to me.
Well, that was awesome. Thank you again, WCTX TV. We appreciate the shout out. And yeah, we're looking forward to the next one.
Oh, yeah.
We'll catch you guys next time.
Tyranis signing off.